Viewers, the latest news about Oromo, Ethiopia, and Tigray region is that many Tigray sources say that Turkey deployed 10 Bayraktar TB2 tactical UAVs to Ethiopia in support of Abiy Ahmed Ali government against Tigray fighters. Viewers, and many other sources from Addis Ababa indicating that PM Abiy is planning drone attacks on major Tigray cities including central capital Mekelle, and 10 drones that are purchased from Turkey are under installation in Addis Ababa. Because these drones are used in conflicts in Libya, Syria, Iraq, and Nagorno, where they scored huge victory over the enemies. And now, from many sources, it is being said that Ethiopian government purchased 10 TB2 drones from Turkey against Tigray Defense Force. And now, from many journalists said that Abiy Ahmed Ali and his forces confidence relies solely on use of drones. He has declared second round invasion of Tigray, signals that he has now access to drones technology because these drones are used in conflict in Libya, Syria, Iraq, where they scored huge victory over the enemies. Because on the other hand, there have been several clashes between the Oromo Liberation Army and Ethiopian security forces between July 6th and July 14th throughout the western zone. Because according to Oromo Liberation Army, 136 enemy combatants have been killed, over 200 have been injured, and 17 have been captured, including 2 lieutenants. Because according to Oromo Liberation Army, on July 13th, 2021, various units of the Oromo Liberation Army launched an operation in Gimbi that resulted in 32 enemy combatants being killed, 21 being injured, and 1 being captured. And 7 AKM rifles were also captured by Oromo Liberation Army. Because among the enemy casualties were Colonel Deriba Chala and platoon commander. This operation was a joint effort by the Oromo Liberation Army's Gara Abbasina regiments alongside the Bitinisa Dina and Virtu Gada commando units. And on 8th July 2021, Ethiopian security forces encamped near Dire were repulsed by the Oromo Liberation Army after attempting to enter the town. Following this engagement, the town administration fled the area. And on 14th July 2021, the Sibra, Sedom, Borra brigades of the Oromo Liberation Army has continued to surround the Ethiopian military camp located at Malaka Guba at around 8 am. And the brigades launched an attack that resulted in 40 enemy combatants being killed. So, so far is the latest update about it. Thanks for watching.